Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix the 400 error on Google Chrome for Windows 10. This error can be frustrating, but the solution is simple. Let's get started. If you're seeing the error 400 message, it often means there's an issue with your browser's cookies. Clearing your cookies can help resolve this problem. Here's how you can do it. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security on the left-hand side of the settings page. Next, click on Clear Browsing Data. In the Clear Browsing Data window, select All Time from the Time Range drop-down menu. Make sure cookies and other site data is checked. You can also check cached images and files to ensure a thorough cleanup. Now, click on the Clear Data button. After clearing the data, close and reopen Chrome. Finally, navigate to website on which you are getting this error. The error should now be resolved. And that's it! You've successfully cleared your cookies and resolved the Gmail error 400 on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.